Hello friends, welcome back to Drill Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your folders on GIMP. So to do that, click and edit from the many options right here, and in the list you want to find preferences. Now you'll receive another pop-up window here, and you want to scroll down to the bottom left, and you will find folders. You can expand that, and you will find those different folders. As you can see here, of different folders, as you can see right under these, right? So if you want to reset folders, you can click in reset. For example, if we click on folders right here, you have reset folders. But if you click on each, you can see that you have the option to reset those folders. So whatever it is that you want to reset, you can always reset those folders. The same goes if you want to change anything, you can always change those folders by clicking on each. Then you will be able to click on browse. You can choose a different path where you want that to actually be, right? So this is how you can actually change those folders. So to reset them, you can always click on it and reset those folders, as you can see. So a whole list of different options available to you that you can reset. So that's it. Once you do, you click on reset folders, and of course you can click on OK. If you want to click reset from here, it's really up to you. But this is how you reset your folders on GIMP. Very easy and very simple.